Hi, hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video I will show you how to reset the class code on the Google Classroom. So if you are facing that you already shared your class code and then an anonymous people joining your class, and then you want to reset the code, here what you have to do. For example, I have this class. I'm as a teacher, I have this class, and then you can click on that class and then click this settings. After that, you can scroll down until you can find this student invite settings here. As you can see, this is the triple dot. Here you can reset the invite codes. So you can reset that invite codes. See, this is the code already changed, so I'll try one more time. See, this is the code already changed. Also, you can invite by link to your students or your colleague or your peers. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.